with the march past, and may I now request our Father Dhanbok, our chief guest, to come forward and take the salute from different houses, from both the seniors and junior students.
Coming forward, we have our general leaders, the Commander Bawan Patay Patar, Flag Bearer Walang Kupang Mawñianglah, the Placard Bearer Miwan Rab Majak. Coming forward by the higher secondary school students, the captain, Commander Captain Pechi, the flag bearer Frankista Mawñianglah, the flag bearer Ivan Depidaka. Now the General Commander take a salute. The call for the higher secondary school students, you are the future leaders. March forward with purpose and passion. Coming forward by the Yellow House Seniors Commander Nati Bandroy Nogri, the flag bearer Navin Ivan Patao, Placard bearer Ambassador Paul CMA. The team for Yellow House Seniors shine bright like the sunshine you are. And now the Yellow House Seniors take the salute. Coming forward by the Blue House Senior Captain Commander Vansan Kadri, the flag bearer Olivia Sutton, flag bearer Richard Star Kurtalang. And the theme for the Blue House Seniors is stay calm, stay focused, keep moving forward. And now
everyone, and a very happy Sports Day to all. I would like to extend my warm greetings to the chief guest of today's program, Reverend Father Donbok Darling. I also extend my greetings to Reverend Father Silvanus Nongkandri, our parish priest. The catechist of the parish, Babu Michael Kharpuri. The church leaders who are present here in the dais. I extend my greetings to the wonderful parents who have spared their valuable time to come here and show support to your children. I would also like to extend my greetings to all the invitees, the principal, the teachers from the other schools, and also to the honorable judges who are here to complete this event. I would like to especially congratulate the school, right from the beloved principal of the school, Miss Irish Barre, the teaching staff, the non-teaching staff, to each and everyone from the school who are involved in conducting this sports event. Last but not the least, I would like to congratulate to all our dear students. You have shown the true character of being school students by taking part in this activity or the activities that the school is conducting right from yesterday, today, and I'm sure that the preparation was in the entire week. I would like to congratulate the school as a whole, especially with the guidance, the leadership, and the support that our Father Parish Priest has done for the school. In a span of less than a year, we have seen tremendous developments in the school itself. The ground where you are standing now is totally different from what you had last year. March past was not properly done. If you had last year, it will be totally different from the one you are just march over this field just now. I would like to congratulate to you all, the members of all the contingents, all the houses, the green, the red, the blue, the yellow houses, to all the commanders, the placard, the flag bearers, giving us a wonderful march past. This is possible because of the preparation that we have had in all these previous months, days. We have this beautiful podium here, and it serves the purpose, especially for the school during sports days.